Kung pupunta ka ng Baguio, try mo tong pinakabagong atraksyon na magbubukas next week. Ito ang Dragon Treasure Castle. Medieval stone castle inspired mula Game of Thrones yung style para kang bumalik ng Middle Ages. Hawig siya sa Ludlow Castle sa England and Caerphilly Castle sa South Wales. Tignan nyo naman guys, may dragon pa. Hindi, joke lang. Kung gusto mo ma-experience ang Sea of Clouds as well as breathtaking sunrises and sunsets, for sure, marami na namang pupunta dito. Ito yung location guys, check nyo na lang sa Google Map or Waze. Tapos soft opening nila February 10, Lunes. Open siya guys from 6 AM to 6 PM daily. Tapos may entrance fee, parking fee, tapos may bayad din yung CR. So yan lang for today guys, see you on my next video.